You are overpaying for Google Ads clicks right now, and here is exactly why. Look at this keywords. We have a great click-through rate, but the quality score is a miserable 3 out of 10. The reason? Google hates our landing page experience. When users click your specific ad, they land here. It's just a generic company homepage. The user searched for an emergency water heater repair, but the headline just says, "Reliable plumbers." There is zero message match. They bounce, conversion rates drop, and your cost per click skyrockets. Let's fix this in 30 seconds. Inside Axerto, we simply select that exact underperforming campaign. The engine automatically pulls your winning headlines, site links, and target audience directly from your Google Ads account. All that's left is dropping in the client's logo and picking their brand colors. And here's the result. In just 30 seconds, Axerto generated a stunning conversion-ready page. Notice the exact message match. The headline perfectly reflects our ad copy and the user's search intent. That is your 10 out of 10 for ad relevance. The page includes a built-in lead form, trust badges, and, down in the footer, automatically generated privacy policy and terms of service pages to keep your Google Ads account safe from suspensions. Stop wasting ad spend. Go to Axerto.com and start your free trial today.